Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best all-terrain tire available on Amazon. When it comes to choosing the right tires for your car, finding a balance between performance, safety, and versatility is paramount. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Falcon Willpiac Trail All-Terrain Radial Tire. When it comes to off-road adventures and all-terrain driving, having the right set of tires can make all the difference. One standout option in the market is the Falcon All-Terrain Radial Tire. This tire is designed to provide exceptional performance, durability, and versatility for drivers seeking an exhilarating off-road experience without compromising on road comfort. This tire boasts a unique tread pattern that combines aggressive off-road capabilities with precise on-road handling. Its symmetrical 5-rib design, featuring wide shoulder blocks and deep tread grooves, ensures optimal traction on various terrains, including mud, snow, and loose gravel. The tire's construction includes high-tensile steel belts for added strength, durability, and stability, making it a reliable choice for demanding off-road conditions. Despite its impressive off-road capabilities, the Falcon tire does not compromise on road comfort. The tire's advanced tread pattern and construction provide a smooth and quiet ride, ensuring reduced road noise and vibrations. Number 2. Nexen Roadie and GTX AllSeason Tire. This tire offers impressive performance throughout the year, making it an ideal choice for drivers in diverse climates. Its advanced tread design and compound ensure optimal traction and grip on both wet and dry surfaces. The tire's wide circumferential grooves effectively channel away water, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and enhancing handling on rainy days. Whether you're driving on highways, city streets, or rural roads, the Nexen Roadie and GTX tire delivers reliable performance in all seasons. This is designed to prioritize driver comfort. Its advanced construction and tread design work together to minimize road noise and vibrations, resulting in a smooth and quiet ride. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or commuting in the city, the tire's noise-reducing features ensure a peaceful driving experience. Safety is of utmost importance, and the Nexen Roadie and GTX All-Season tire is designed with that in mind. The tire incorporates advanced safety features to enhance driver confidence on the road. Number 3. Michelin All-Season Tire for Car and SUV. The Michelin CROSSCLIMATE2 tire's tread pattern and compound are specifically designed to deliver superior traction on both wet and dry surfaces. The tire's large circumferential grooves and high-density sipes effectively evacuate water, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and enhancing wet grip. On dry roads, the tire's optimized contact patch ensures precise handling and responsive braking, providing a confident driving experience regardless of the weather. Durability is a key factor to consider when investing in tires, and the Michelin CROSSCLIMATE2 tire excels in this regard. Its robust construction and high-quality materials ensure excellent wear resistance, providing long-lasting performance and value. The tire's tread compound is engineered to resist wear, reducing the frequency of tire replacements. Additionally, the CROSSCLIMATE2 tire's optimized footprint evenly distributes the load, promoting uniform wear and extending the tire's lifespan. The tire's optimized tread pattern reduces road noise and vibrations, ensuring a quiet and enjoyable driving experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Number 4. Falcon ZX-CT60 All-Season Radial Tire. This Falcon tire is designed to provide excellent performance in all weather conditions. Whether you're driving on dry pavement, wet roads, or even light snow, this tire delivers reliable traction and grip. Its advanced tread compound and symmetrical tread pattern ensure consistent performance, allowing you to confidently navigate through various road conditions throughout the year. Its tire offers precise handling and stability, enhancing your driving experience. Its optimized tread pattern, featuring solid center ribs, promotes improved steering response and cornering stability. The tire's reinforced sidewalls minimize sidewall flex, providing enhanced stability during sudden maneuvers and tight turns. With the CT60AS tire, you can enjoy confident and controlled handling on both highways and winding roads. This durability ensures that you can enjoy the tire's exceptional performance for an extended period, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. It's recommended to consult your vehicle's manufacturer guidelines or a tire professional to determine the best size and fitment for your specific vehicle. Number 5. Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain. This all-terrain RB tire is built to dominate off-road environments. Its aggressive tread pattern, with large and deep shoulder blocks, provides outstanding traction on loose surfaces, such as mud, gravel, and sand. The tire's self-cleaning capability ensures that mud and debris are efficiently expelled, maintaining optimal grip. With the Scorpion All-Terrain Plus RB tire, you can confidently take on the toughest trails and conquer new off-road adventures. The tire's biting edges and sipes provide enhanced traction on snowy and icy roads, making it suitable for regions with mild winter conditions. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?